Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decipher corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we're diving into a Form 8K filing from Global Business Travel Group. Get ready because it sounds like this company is trying to make a big purchase and someone's not happy about it. This Form 8K is basically a current report, kind of like an update that companies file with the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC when something important happens. This particular report has a date of February 18th, 2025. Global Business Travel Group Inc. filed this report. They're incorporated in Delaware. Their file number is 001-39576. Now, let's get to the meat of this report. The main event here is the announcement concerning Global Business Travel Group's attempt to buy another company called CWT Holding LLC. It looks like the UK Competition and Markets Authority, also known as the CMA, has given its initial thumbs up to this purchase. Basically, they're saying they don't see any major problems with competition if this deal goes through. However, there's a catch. The CMA's final decision isn't until March 9th, 2025, so it's not a done deal yet. And the company continues to defend itself against a lawsuit filed in January 2025. Here's the twist. The Antitrust Division of the US Department of Justice is trying to block this acquisition. They want a permanent injunction, which is basically a court order to stop the whole thing. So to simplify all this, Global Business Travel Group wants to buy CWT Holding LLC. The UK is probably okay with it, but the US Justice Department is fighting to stop the deal. It's like they are trying to stop it permanently. The company included a copy of the press release talking about the subject. Okay, so what does all of this mean for Global Business Travel Group? First, the legal battle with the Justice Department is a significant risk. Lawsuits can be expensive, time-consuming, and uncertain. If the Justice Department wins, the acquisition is off, and Global Business Travel Group will have spent a lot of time and money for nothing. Second, even if they win the US case, there's still the CMA's final decision to consider. While the initial reaction is positive, things could change. On the other hand, if Global Business Travel Group manages to pull off this acquisition, it could be a big win. Buying CWT Holding LLC could make them a much bigger player in the travel industry. Looking at Global Business Travel Group's overall direction, they seem to be focused on growth through acquisitions, which is a pretty common strategy. But it also comes with risks, like the one they're facing right now. As for the stock price, it's hard to say for sure what will happen. The stock's price will depend on the chances of the acquisition happening and how much bigger the company could become. If the acquisition looks more and more likely, the price could go up. If it seems like it will fail, the price could go down. If the company has good chances, it is reasonable for it to target at least $50 a share. However, if the chances are slim, it might be reasonable for the price to settle at $40 a share. So, what's the final verdict? Given the legal uncertainty and regulatory hurdles, I'm leaning towards a neutral opinion. There's a chance for a positive outcome, but there are too many risks. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let me know what other corporate filings you'd like me to decode.